So we have come here today in Maulai, Kantan Masar area, and this entire stream of Umsohlang. We are here to work along with 5 or 6 of the community in the localities out here to ensure that we are able to revive and clean and make sure that the biodiversity and all the other aspects of environment and ecology should be brought back to these streams. And with that, we have decided today to launch a mission mode program and let this be a pilot project which will be an example to other localities and other areas and other people in the state as well as in the region of the Northeast as a whole, that if the community and all the stakeholders and the government all come together, work together, we can reverse the impact of climate change. We can reverse all the aspects of what damage we have done to our streams and to our natural water bodies. If we work together, we can do it. So we have decided to get together along with the Rangbashnongs of all the different localities to have a meeting next week, and within a very short period of time we will come back here to launch this mission mode program. Thank you.